This is winter. We even feel it in San Francisco. Rain is falling on all of us. In between rain, we have wonderful sun. And of course, San Francisco, where the weather is around 50 degrees or 10 Celsius, is much, much warmer than back east or in the East. So this is a message for Meir to all of you. And I want to tell you that I never took a flu shot. And I believe that I will never take one either. In fact, on January of this year, I had a real flu. And the worst that came to worse is that I had to fly to Israel for it because I don't have as much media exposure as I would like to have. And a major channel was willing to interview me, even though it was only for 3 minutes, in large Israeli TV, and I could not miss the chance. It was about brain plasticity, and it actually has international support because it was a good series. I wish they gave me more time, but I'm grateful that I got. And I arrived with the flu to Israel. And only that, my ears were plugged for an hour after leaving the plane and half an hour before leaving the plane, as it was landing and stopping. Slowly, my ears opened up. I had a scary moment there. I cured my flu in 2 ways. I allowed myself to lie in bed with warm blanket and take 5 hot showers a day and let the flu simply heal. These days, where I'm still running to the beach and go to the ocean and bathe in the ocean, and that's a result of the fact that I fell down and injured my knee. The ocean is the best healer for me because it is cold and it is really freezing any inflammation in my leg. I start to feel that my body, at the age of 65, asks some questions. Is it a bit too cold to be there? I can tell you I never had those questions when I was 30 and 40, but I have those questions these days still. And the result was that I was wearing in the last few days at least a couple of sweaters on top of a shirt with my running trousers. And I was running in the park where the land is not even, and I was sweating. So here, on a regular basis, I run just with a bathing suit. I'm the hero of the neighborhood, or the nut of the neighborhood, into the cold beach, cold wind, cold ocean. And then when the body doesn't feel right about it, I run with few layers and sweat as much as I can. The result is I have a feeling that I was able to defeat a bug that was about to get me down in bed for a while. This is a result of body awareness. The more you become aware of your body, and I earned my body awareness with the vision work that I've done and with the movement work that I've done to my body. You can defeat the cold. You can prevent the cold without any vaccine, without any toxin, without compromising your immune system in any way, but building it up and strengthening it. And to just give you a little exercise, slowly inhale through your nose and slowly exhale through your nose and then through your mouth. And stay without air, and I'm going to count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Could you hold the air out for that? And now breathe deeply. Of course, there's always air in the lungs, even when you exhale all the way. But the ability to exhale all the way and keep the air out and do it repeatedly several times a day could make a big difference in your ability to breathe deeply. And oxygen is the best cure for the flu, better than any flu shot there is. So now that it's a flu season, let's protect ourselves with the gift of movement. Movement is the best cure. I always think that if I'm not able to help someone, it's not because he can't be helped. It's because I did not find the right move to help him. And for that reason, I keep exploring and exploring and exploring ways to help a person with movement, with imagination, and with exercise. And that's why it's so important for you to explore ways to feel your body from within. That's why I dedicated years to write books, including my book, Awakening Your Power of Self-Healing. And those of you who have it, please don't put it aside. Look at it again and again, chapter by chapter, to work deeply on your body. But before anything else, have the attitude that you need to tune in and respect yourself. For that reason, I would like you to read my book, Movement for Self-Healing. We'll put it on sale this week. Simply the fact that you are now going to listen to yourself. See how many of my clients listen to themselves and how I did as well. We'll put for sale both the audible version and the physical book. Many blessings to all of you, Meir.